JD here, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to use ThankView to create 1 or 100 personalized videos in minutes sent via email or text using ThankView. First thing we're going to do is create a campaign. Next up, let's add some recipients. You can do that by connecting us to your CRM, uploading a CSV or Excel file, manually adding people one at a time, or using lists that you want to use over and over again. Looks good. Next up, you're going to choose how your email message looks, from everything from customizing the subject line, who it's coming from, who should receive replies, what's in the body copy, even what it's going to look like to the end user. Let's take a look here. Looking good so far. On this step, you're going to choose how it looks when your end user opens and watches their ThankView. You can customize everything from the header, the background, even creating and customizing your own custom envelopes. Once we choose that, we can then go down and add other elements such as call to action buttons. Maybe you want to display a PDF that's totally trackable so you can know if they've actually engaged with that content. You can do that. You can embed a form. Maybe you want them to take a survey or set up a time to set up a meeting. Totally up to you. All this is done with just a click of a few buttons. And now for the fun part, actually creating your videos. You can add intros and outros to add a little extra panache to your videos, but the real meat and potatoes is when you create those personalized messages. So you can create messages for one, you can group a few people, you could send the same message to your entire audience, or you could start getting a little crafty. Let's say you have a bunch of people named Jake. Maybe you just want to send one video to everyone named Jake, just like this. Hi, Jake. JD here from ThankView University. Thank you and only you for your donation. We really appreciate it and hope to see you on campus soon. Take care. And just like that, the video is processed. I can add closed captions. I can trim it. I can cut it. I can rotate it. Anything you'd like, you can do with ThankView. Now you can schedule those videos to go out anytime or immediately, and then you'll be able to track all your success and engagement with your metrics dashboard, knowing not only who opened and clicked through, but who starts watching, who finishes, all the other actions they're taking, as well as where they're from, their age, their engagement, all that great stuff. So this is what you can do with ThankView, and it's just that easy. So go ahead, give it a look.